Hey guys, welcome back. This is Ajax G here with another video. So today we are going to talk about the Galaxy S21. Okay, this video is going to be a little different than my normal video, so tell me if you like it, leave a thumbs up, comment down below. We have reached 1,000 subs. I want to say thank you to everyone that subscribed, and thank you to my new subscribers, and thank you to the future subscribers. I've been working on this channel for 3 years, and I'm just really happy I made 1,000 subscribers. Not just for the monetization factor, it's just the fact that it shows that 1,000 people support me and over 250,000 people have watched my videos. So that's dope. All right, so let's talk about the Galaxy S21. All right. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Okay, so I know you guys, if you've watched my other videos, I know you guys are probably like, Ajax, what are you complaining about? You now have an iPhone 12, okay? So the reason why I'm complaining is because I still have my Galaxy S10. Now, I've been an Android person for 10 years. So when I started college in 2010, my first Android phone was a Nexus, okay? The Google Nexus, all right? That's how far back I've been with Android, okay? And once that phone broke, I had to replace it, and I got the Galaxy S2, and I was like, okay, Samsung, I'm with you. I'm sticking around. Let's do this. The 3, didn't really feel it. It was funky. The 4, that was my powerhouse. I had that phone for 2 years. I usually upgrade every year, but I had that phone for 2 years, and I only upgraded, I think was the Galaxy S6 Edge. Okay, that's when I upgraded, and I was gonna actually keep that phone, but it ended up breaking the day right before I was supposed to trade it in to get the 6. So boom. After the 6, the 7 came out, was a little slim. I was like, oh, this technology with the curved display. I'm such a Samsung fangirl that I used to watch their presentations, and I seen the original curved glass display when they first was thinking about coming out with that technology. And I was like, oh my God, it's a wrap. It's coming. The 8, I really liked, started getting slimmer, the bezels, all of that jazz. And then the 10. Okay, the 10 was beautiful to me. I love it. I love the fact that the camera module is rectangular. All right, I love the hole punch cutout that everyone complains about. I like it. This forehead on the iPhone is doodle. Okay, I'm getting ready to upgrade to the S21, and they took out the SD card. I don't know why they did that. I don't know why, because they did that back with the Note 5, and everyone complained about that shit. Most of them gave it back and got the Note 4 back so they could have an SD card slot. Like, I do everything on my Galaxy. I record all my videos. When I'm doing like unboxing, I do it on there. All my videos, my pictures, because they just look better on the Galaxy. And I know you iPhone users out there like, you're crazy. iPhone looks better, blah, blah, blah. You're lying to yourself. You're lying to yourself. Now, does the camera look better within apps natively? Yes, because there's 1,000 Android phones, so not every developer is going to make a native camera app that works for every variant of an Android device. There's only one iPhone and one iPhone manufacturer, so it's going to look better. So we can put that under the rug. Okay, next. Samsung started talking about these AirTag things. AirTags, look at me. I'm already the Apple life. I forgot what the tags are called, but I'm gonna call them AirTags. I'm sorry. The little tag things to find your stuff. That's cute. I think they came out with that years ago. When they first created NFC, they created a little tag thing like that before. So this is a newer variant. They said it lasts for months. Hopefully it's rechargeable, or you can like bring it to the Samsung store to get it recharged or the battery replaced. Because if you pay $30 for that, yes, if you get it on Samsung.com, you get it free when you pre-order the phone. But it's like, okay, but I'm not gonna pay another $30 to get another Samsung tag to find shit. If I lose it, I lose it. Like, that's it. So they came out with that. They have the new Galaxy Buds. that everyone's like, oh, it's supposed to be on par with the Apple AirPod Pros. Listen, the Galaxy Buds was the bomb when it first dropped. It was amazing. The only thing that was bad with it was the call quality. Like, they just had to fix the mic. Once you fix the mic, they're amazing headphones. Like, that's it. So now I'm assuming it has great call quality and the still amazing sound quality. That's awesome. The Samsung Galaxy S21 has a 1080p display. Yes, they dropped the display from 1440 that I always talk shit about to everybody. I'm like, my 1440 display, blah, 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 at 60 hertz. I was happy with that. I don't need 120 hertz at 1080p. I really don't. Now, does it look better? Yes, but me scrolling faster, it's not that important. Like, I have hyper scroll on my mouse, and it does wonders when I'm on like a textbook that's 500 pages. I'm like, all right, let's just scroll. But I really don't need 120 hertz refresh rate. I appreciate it, but okay. So for $800, it's a plastic phone. The cameras are pretty much the same as the S20. They just fixed the focus issues. And you take out the charger. So none of the Galaxies come with chargers, guys. Just, you probably already know this, but they don't come with chargers. And they just tweeted last year talking shit about Apple, and they did the same thing. And then they tried to delete the tweet like they didn't do it. I seen it. I seen it, Samsung. I seen it because I hearted it and it was gone. But yeah, so there's that. And if you want the big dog, the base model is $1,200 with no charger or SD card slot. And the base model is not even 512 gigabytes. Now, if they said $1,200, you start at 512 and you work your way up to a terabyte, like they did with the, I think they did that with the ceramic S10 Plus series. I think that's what they did with the 10 Plus series, the ceramic one though. The base was 512 and then it went up. Samsung, you dropped the ball. I don't know who is in-house telling you guys like, yes, we need to do this. Do not follow Apple. There's a market for Apple users and there's a market for Samsung Android users. Listen to your consumers, because in a minute y'all about to be gone. I mean, obviously Samsung's not going nowhere because they make displays for Apple. Yes, we know that. I'm just saying that like your user base is going to shrink. People may go to the 8T. I'm not saying they're going to switch to Apple, but they're going to switch to a different Android device. Honestly, for that price, it doesn't make sense to purchase it for that price. So the S21 starts at $800, and then the max for 256 gigabytes is $850, which is not bad at all, especially for like a flagship phone. But the fact that you dropped no glass back and no charger and no SD card slot, is not making sense to me. It's really not. I know you price it around the same of iPhone, because the iPhone, even at $800, the base model is still 64 gigabytes. And I think, yes, that's for the 12. Yes, the 12, the base is 64 gigabytes. Like I say, I think they made it the base 128. But yeah. So, I don't know. You guys tell me how you feel in the comment section down below. Like, did Samsung mess up? I firmly believe they messed up. But what I think is going to happen, I think they're coming out with the Fold 3 and the Note, obviously, S21. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention that. The S Pen can now be used with the S21 Ultra. So, but it doesn't have like a specific pen slot like the Note. So it's kind of like, hey, you can now use the pen that everyone said that they wanted to use with the bigger phones that we created. I don't know. I think they're gonna go on and get on with the Fold, okay? I think this is gonna be the last year of the Note series. That's just my thoughts. And I really hope that in the middle of the year, Samsung does like a, hey, just a joke. We're gonna, you know, release another phone that has an SD card slot called the S21 FE, you know, because the fan edition, we're fans of the SD card slot. And now I'll happily purchase that one without a problem because I really love Samsung's cameras. They haven't really updated the cameras that much. Yes, 108 megapixels. I mean, I don't know. I don't know. It's just not something that excites me. Usually Samsung excites me every time they come out with a new S series. But the past 2 years, I don't know. I guess we've reached that peak that everyone keeps talking about technology, that, you know, it's not cell phones are not going to advance. The only thing that excites me now are the folds. And $2,000 for a phone. No. That's just no. It's just no. So you guys let me know in the comment section down below. I will have a giveaway link down below for those of you that have stuck around. I don't know what I'll be giving away yet. Maybe in my next video I'll explain what I'll be giving away, but the link will be for a month long. So please make sure you share, subscribe, and comment, and I will catch you next time. HXG out.